Go ahead, keep getting ready. Pretend I'm not here. Okay. I know it's easy to do. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Martin Scorsese.
Because she felt bad. Well, she just bought a Ducati. Yeah, she got some lights, but she's like still not. She wanted to ride, so there we go.
Guys, so you know what you're gonna do? Remember the first day we thought we got lost? Tibbs. We're right on Tibbs. Opposite NASCAR. It's all right.
Even though I've explained a few things, we'll have Mario kind of
Okay,
get us all together.
pretty much a straight shot, just right turns. We have no police escort, so please do not run red lights. Obey all traffic laws. If we get to a red light, we slow down. Let everybody catch up. Turn right. You can turn right for as long as safe. Okay? Route is 465, the 65 South, Lafayette exit. Then so Lafayette to Tibbs. Tibbs is 16. Right turns only. Each intersection is a right turn. Take us straight to the track. Okay?
And make sure you've got your wrist
Your
and
parking
your bike passes. They'll be checking those as we pull in. Make sure you also have your ticket.
Does anybody need an armband?
No, Bill already took care of that.
Okay. I might have the one guy from Spain.
Mario, that might get suggested.
Not bad. Brian woke up this morning. I'm like, what's the sky look like? And he's like, black. I'm like, okay, it's 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, you were right. We get off at 65.
Yeah.
And then Lafayette is a right off 65. Then we make a right on Tibbs, and then we make a right on 16th Street. Which 16th Street is where the museum. Well, they all would go probably into the track. 16th Street is the one where the museum entrance is, which is the entrance we go in. Our gate.